The day before yesterday. The day before yesterday. 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 Today. Today. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. The day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow. Last night. Last night. Tonight. Tonight. Tomorrow night. Tomorrow night. In the morning. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the afternoon. In the evening. In the evening. Yesterday morning. Yesterday morning. Yesterday afternoon. Yesterday afternoon. Yesterday evening. Yesterday evening. This morning. This morning. This afternoon. This afternoon. This evening. This evening. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow evening. Tomorrow evening. Last week. Last week. Last month. Last month. Last year. Last year. This week. This week. This month. This month. This year. This year. Next week. Next week. Next month. Next month. Next year. Next year. 5 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago. An hour ago. An hour ago. A week ago. A week ago. 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. A month ago. A month ago. A year ago. A year ago. A long time ago. A long time ago. In 10 minutes time. Oh, in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes time. Oh, in 10 minutes. In an hour's time. Oh, in an hour. In an hour's time. Oh, in an hour. In a week's time. Oh, in a week. In a week's time. Oh, in a week. In 10 days time. Oh, in 10 days. In 10 days time. Oh, in 10 days. In 3 weeks time. Oh, in 3 weeks. In 3 weeks time. Oh, in 3 weeks. In 2 months time. Oh, in 2 months. In 2 months time. Oh, in 2 months. In 10 years time. Oh, in 10 years. In 10 years time. Oh, in 10 years. The previous day. The previous day. The previous week. The previous week. The previous month. The previous month. The previous year. The previous year. The following day. The following day. The following week. The following week. The following month. The following month. The following year. The following year. I lived in Canada for 6 months. I lived in Canada for 6 months. I've worked here for 9 years. I've worked here for 9 years. I'm going to France tomorrow for 2 weeks. I'm going to France tomorrow for 2 weeks. We were swimming for a long time. We were swimming for a long time.